come together with other individuals or groups to form something greater than many of us. For many people, the heart of spiritualism is a sense of being part of something larger than ourselves, a unity of oneness with our fellow humans. I am looking at the stars with the message of unity. Millions of them twinkle in the dark night, seeing the beauty of their united efforts. Let us all unite. Universal unity is a must. I am thinking about the family, sacrifices by its members are not to each other, but to the unity of their house. Seeing the enduringness of their relations, let us all unite. Universal unity is a must. I am dreaming of a nation, continue as free as independent, reaching its goal and destinations. In will of our nation to stand upright, let us all unite. Universal unity is a must. To get strange in opinion, to get power in actions, to get efficacy in the craft, to get success in every walk of life, let us all unite. Universal unity is a must. To help in the time of flood, cyclone, drought and earthquake, to eliminate corruption, racism, terrorism and rape, to escape from thieving, robbery, smuggling and hoarding, to kill all the defects and vice. Let us all unite. Universal unity is a must.